What up, people? Today we're going to talk about how we got Millie to be comfortable with the car. The first step is you make it really comfortable. Now we got the car packed up with plenty of her favorite things, water, treats, toys. It's going to be a nice comfortable ride for her. Before, Millie used to scream and cry bloody murder on the way into the car, but now, as you saw, she'll walk right up, jump in the back. She sits back there with Emma. We like to keep the car off when we get her in, and then we just crank the AC and start cruising. Like I said, she wasn't always comfortable in the car, and we really had to work on it to get her more comfortable. One of the key things we did was in the mornings when I'd take her for a walk, we'd start to walk by the car. She used to be really nervous about cars just sitting there idling. She would panic if someone was starting their car and just hanging out. And so I used to just bring her up to our car and we'd take a look at it, give her some treats, maybe open the door, sit in it a little bit, give her some treats, but not actually drive anywhere. We did that for a little while. The next pro tip is getting lots of short, pleasurable rides in. So we started to take her to the park, even though it was just down the street, just took her for a ride in that. Driving her home is always a big win because she gets to go back home. And now she's at the point where she doesn't love it in the car, but she'd prefer to be in the car and come with us than be left at home. And don't forget, cars are hot, so you need plenty of water breaks. The biggest tip is take them somewhere awesome, and they will quickly learn to like car rides.